যেমন কর্ম তেমনি ফল. Which kind of karma you do it, you don't believe, but you get same kind of action. Do you have a time to tell the story quickly? Should I tell you? There is a man, he's a doctor, Indian doctor in Calcutta. It's a real story, not a written story. It's a fact, real fact. The Indian doctor doesn't make enough money because when you work for government hospital, get very little salary. Saturday, Sunday, you have a little bit dispensary, doctor room, chamber, and you look at the private patient. He has only one son, and son very good study. He became a doctor. It's called MB, Master of, what is MB? Manali, what is MB? MD is Master of Doctor. Medical. India we call NB. I don't know what's the meaning of B. Medical Doctor MB. So, if you go to Harvard University or become MD, oh my God. Before you come back to home, you will be director of a hospital like this. Right? And England, if you go, you have a 2 degree FRCS MRCP. You're Master of Surgery, Master of Medicine. FRCS MRCP. America they don't call, they only call MD. That's it. But every father think, if my son can go to America and become MD, then he will have best job in his life. He doesn't have to struggle like an Indian doctor. So, his son applied to Harvard University and he got full scholarship, study free, living free. But to go to Harvard from Calcutta, expensive plane fare, and food is expensive in America. So you need a lot of money. He tried very hard. He couldn't find the extra money for 5 years for his son. So very sad. He told son, honey, just take over this chamber and practice here. Maybe you will be better than me, but I can help you. So that's sad. But his son said, no problem, Dad, don't worry. I'll be okay. One day, weekend, he's closing his door of his medical chamber and somebody knocked the door. And he said, please open the door. Well, today is closed. Come back tomorrow morning at 10 o'clock. He said, no, urgent. I told you close. Please, it's very urgent. I cannot see the patient. You don't have to see patient. I need to talk to you for 5 minutes. So he was convinced. He opened the gate, shutter, and one man came, suit, ties and everything. He has a briefcase. He said, the briefcase has 200,000 rupees. That 200,000 rupees more than enough for your son's plane fare and 5 years of food or local expenses, pocket expenses. So, I'm giving you this money. He said, why? I don't know you. Well, wait, I didn't finish it. All you have to do, write a prescription that today at 3 o'clock I came to you in stomach problem. I had a stomach upset and you keep me lie down on the table and you give me glucose IV for 1 hour, and 5 o'clock I feel good, you let me go and write a prescription. Then doctor said, that's lie. That lie. You never came. I don't need name. I never treated you. How can I write a prescription? It's a fraud. He said, what's make different? Your son could be MD in Harvard University. I give you the whole money. Just write one piece of paper. Argument for a long time. So he's got 10 o'clock, 8 to 10. The man will not leave him alone. To get rid of him, he said, what the hell, write something, who cared? So he wrote it, took the money, closed the chamber, is running. He took the bus. Then from bus he went to his home. Suddenly he trying to go, and there's a yellow tag, the police officer. He said, "You cannot go there." He said, "Why?" There's a car accident. "This is my home." "Oh, that's your home? Who is that sitting on the grass on the sidewalk?" He said, "Oh, my wife." "Oh, then you can go." As soon as he came close to his wife started crying. Then he saw something covered with a bed sheet. And he opened it, his son, dead body. Can you guess it, the rest of the story? Yes or no? That's the man at 4:30 hit in front of his home in a car and killed him. Nobody could catch him. Hit and run. Then he find out his father is a doctor. And he need the money to send to Harvard University. So he tricked him, convinced him to take the money, write the prescription. 4 to 5 o'clock he was over there. And exactly 4:30 accident occurs. So what is that story? If you do the bad karma, you get the bad result. No way out. We grew up listening this kind of discipline from our country, India. So when you drive the car, what is the most important thing? Do you know that? What's the most important thing, car? Brake. So you can stop. But the Western world, you drive the car without a brake. Sometimes you can avoid the car. Sometimes you cannot stop, you hit. Either you die, your family die, or you kill other people. How do I prove it? Very simple. Before we do anything right, lying, cheating, fraud, manipulation, stealing, our brake is our conscious mind. Not unconscious, nor subconscious. Conscious mind always tell us the truth. Stop. If you do the wrong thing, you have to pay the dues with interest, much more than that today or tomorrow.